Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. Example, in figure, the sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are produced to points E and D respectively. If bisectors BO and CO of angle CBE and angle BCD respectively meet at point O, then prove that angle BOC equal to 90 degree minus half angle BAC. So here is given the figure, you can see triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC with the angles X, Y, Z. Now it is given the sides AB and AC are produced to points E and D. This side AB, it is produced to point E. The side AC is produced to point D. Then again there is given the bisectors. Here is drawn bisectors. This BO is the bisector of this angle. You can see there are two parts and it is marked they are equal. Bisector means we know dividing the angle into two equal parts. So here this CO is also the bisector. Here also you can see the two parts and it is also marked there equal. So this BO and CO are the bisectors of angle CBE and angle BCD respectively. And these bisectors meeting at the point O. We need to prove angle BOC equal to 90 degree minus half angle BAC. So let us discuss the answer. You see the figure. What is about this angle Y and this marked angle? That is angle CBA and angle CBE. These two angles. We know these two angles are linear pair, so their sum equal to 180 degree. So let us write, we have angle CBA plus angle CBE equal to 180 degree, linear pair. That is Y plus angle CBE equal to 180 degree. Angle CBE equal to 180 degree minus Y. So in this figure I have marked this angle CBE equal to 180 degree minus Y. Now you see the figure again. It is given in the question BO is the bisector of angle CBE. So these two parts are equal. Each part will be half of this 180 degree minus Y. So we can say this angle is 180 degree minus Y by 2 and this angle also 180 degree minus Y by 2. So we need only this angle CBO. So let us write. We have BO is the bisector of angle CBE. This BO is the bisector of angle CBE. Therefore, angle CBO equal to half angle CBE. CBO is this portion. CBO. It is the half of this whole angle CBE. that is equal to half into 180 degree minus y, because we know angle CBE equal to 180 degree minus y. That is equal to 180 degree minus y whole divided by 2. The same idea let us apply in the other side also. You consider this angle Z and this angle BZD. They are together forming linear pair. So their sum also equal to 180 degree. So let us write, we have angle BCA plus angle BCD equal to 180 degree linear pair. That is Z plus angle BCD equal to 180 degree. Angle BCD equal to 180 degree minus Z. So now we get this whole angle equal to 180 degree minus Z. That is angle BCD equal to 180 degree minus Z. Now given in the question, CO is the bisector of angle BCD. So each parts formed here will be equal and it is half of this 180 degree minus Z. So we will get this each part will be 180 degree minus Z by 2. We need only this upper portion BCO. So let us write, we have CO is the bisector of angle BCD. Therefore, angle BCO equal to half angle BCD. That is equal to half into 180 degree minus Z. That is equal to 180 degree minus Z whole divided by 2. Now you see the figure again. This triangle BCO. We know the sum of the all angles of this triangle is 180 degree. We have found two of the angles. This angle is 180 degree minus y by 2. This one is 180 degree minus z by 2. This one we need to find out. So let us give the angle sum property here. We know the sum of three angles equal to 180 degree. So let us write, we have in triangle BCO, angle CBO plus angle BCO plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. Angle CBO means it is angle B. Angle BCO means it is angle C. Angle BOC means it is angle O. So we know what is angle B, what is angle C. So let us give that all values there. So we get 180 degree minus y by 2 plus 180 degree minus z by 2 plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. So let us distribute this whole divided by 2 for both 180 degree and y. Here also let us do the same. So we get 180 degree by 2 minus y by 2 plus 180 degree by 2 minus z by 2 plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. So we get 90 degree minus y by 2 plus 90 degree minus z by 2 plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. we need to prove angle BOC equal to 90 degree minus half angle BAC. So let us keep this angle BOC in the left side. Remaining all these values we can move to right side. So we get angle BOC equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree minus 90 degree plus y by 2 plus z by 2. This plus 90 degree is shifted to right side. It became minus 90 degree. This plus 90 degree also became minus 90 degree. This minus y by 2 became plus y by 2. This minus z by 2 became plus z by 2. Now you can see this is positive 180 degree. This minus 90 degree and minus 90 degree together minus 180 degree. So all these values will be cancelled and there is remaining only y by 2 plus z by 2. So we can write angle BOC equal to y by 2 plus z by 2. You can see divided by 2 is common there. We can take it out of the bracket. So we get angle BOC equal to half into y plus z. Still we did not reach the proof. The question is to prove angle BOC equal to 90 degree minus half into angle BAC. So let us keep this angle BOC equal to half into y plus z as equation number 1. Now you see the figure again. You can see here triangle BAC with the angles x, y, z. We know by angle sum property this x plus y plus z equal to 180 degree. So let us write in triangle ABC x plus y plus z equal to 180 degree angle sum property. Let us take this x to right side. We get y plus z equal to 180 degree minus x. So we got a value for y plus z. It is 180 degree minus x. So in the equation 1 there is y plus z. This y plus z we can replace by the value 180 degree minus x. So the equation 1 becomes angle BOC equal to half into 180 degree minus x. We replaced this y plus z by 180 degree minus x. Now let us distribute this divided by 2 for both 180 degree and x. So we get angle BOC equal to 180 degree by 2 minus x by 2. That is angle BOC equal to 90 degree minus x by 2. You see the figure. What is this x? Which angle is this x? X is angle BAC. So let us write instead of x angle BAC. So we can write angle BOC equal to 90 degree minus angle BAC by 2. That we can write as angle BOC equal to 90 degree minus half angle BAC. Now we proved it. That was our question. This is a proof, a long one. You have to write again and again to study. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.